Lesson 19, Section 2, Geography of the South. The South extended from Maryland south to Florida and from the Atlantic coast west to Louisiana and Texas. Climate and natural features encouraged Southerners to base their way of life on agriculture. Climate. Compared to the North, the Southern states enjoyed mild winters and long, hot, humid summers. Plentiful rainfall and long growing seasons made this a perfect place for raising warm weather crops that would have withered and died farther north. Natural features. Wide coastal plains edge the southern shoreline from Chesapeake Bay to the Gulf of Mexico. These fertile lowlands could stretch inland for hundreds of miles in parts of the South. Along the coast, the plains were dotted with swamps and marshes that were ideal for growing rice and sugarcane, which thrived in warm, soggy soil. Indigo was grown on the dry land above the swamps, and tobacco and corn were farmed farther inland. A visitor to this area noted that the planters, by the richness of the soil, live in the most easy and pleasant manner of any people I have ever met with. Above the plains rose the Appalachians. Settlers who ventured into this rugged backcountry carved farms and orchards out of rolling hills and mountain hollows. Some backcountry farmers worked on land so steep that it was joked that they kept falling out of their cornfields. Although many people in the South were farmers, Southerners used natural resources in other ways as well. In North Carolina, they harvested thick pine forests for lumber. From Chesapeake Bay in Virginia and Maryland, they gathered fish, oysters, and crabs. An especially important feature of the South was its broad, flat rivers. Many of the South's earliest towns were built at the mouths of rivers. As people moved away from the coast, they followed the rivers inland, building their homes and farms alongside these water highways. Ocean-going ships could sometimes even sail up southern rivers to conduct business right at a planter's private dock. Here, the ships were loaded with tobacco or other cash crops for sale in the Caribbean or Europe.